Welcome to Wind Energy Career Gags. In this session, we are going to learn the wind power installed capacity in India, especially this is a series of video. In this third session, we are going to learn the state which is contributing in the third position as of now to the wind power installation capacity. And we are also going to see what is the total installed capacity of that particular state, year on year contribution of the state. Also, we are going to see the detail of last 25 years, how the state is contributing, currently how it is. End of the session, you are also going to get the gift from us for your learning growth and sustainable career growth within the wind energy sector. Let us start. Hi, welcome to Wind Energy Career Gags. I'm Mahendran. In this session, as I said earlier, we are going to learn the state-wise wind installed capacity. This is the third video in this series. On the state, you might be already guessed if you are part of the wind energy sector. If not, the people can keep guessing. Yes, I want to share more details about the wind energy contribution from the state Karnataka. Now they are in number 3. This will help you like in terms of contribution to the total installed capacity. This will also help us to understand how each states are contributing to us in terms of installation or wind power addition. So first let us learn what is the total installed capacity from Karnataka. They are in third position. You can see now they are contributed almost 5,303 megawatt in terms of wind installation. So they are in the third position. This is the latest data available with us. Now let us also learn what is the year-on-year contribution from them. That is one of the important information which will help you to understand the historical progress or the contribution from the state. So most of you know that each states are contributing at different period in different level. Now we are going to see how the Karnataka contributed continuously from the beginning. So initially you can see till 2002. This is the consolidated data. Other data are all other data are year-on-year data. So the consolidated information till 2002, it was like 69.3 megawatt only. After that, you can see they are consistently contributing at least 50 megawatt above year-on-year. So the first time in 2004 and 5, they reached 201.5 megawatt. It's a huge. After that, they are continuing 143. Again, they reached 266 megawatt. Then we have like 190 in 2007 and 8. And then the year of 2008-9, they reached 300 mark. This is one of the great thing. 316.0, like that is the megawatt contributed in 2008-9. And 2009-10, they reached 145 again. Again, 254, and it is continuing 206 and 201. 183 in 2013 and 14. Again, 14-15, they reached 320. So they are almost continuously on an average 100 plus megawatts are added. Then you can see 2015-16, 240.3 megawatt. 2016 and 17, they reached 882 megawatt, very close to 1 gigawatt, but not achieved 1 gigawatt. So 2017-18, they reached 758 megawatt. Afterwards, if the trend is again coming back to less than 100 megawatt and like 95, and then it's happened to 148, then 192. This is the trend. Continuously, they are contributing to the addition of new megawatt year on year. This is one of the very important information for us to use it. If you are in wind energy sector or not in the wind energy sector, but you want to learn more about wind energy sector, this will be helpful for you. Now coming to the gift point, like every session, we are like giving the opportunity different gifts, but always there is a one gift, the continuous learning process. That's how we can add value to you. So let me share Already like we are sharing whatever the very important informations are the things needed for you as a wind energy professional or people who are interested in renewable energy sector. This will be helpful. Same way, we are adding more option to learn continuously. Let me share with you. Like you can visit our website. Continuously, I am adding different information to you to learn. You can visit sustainablelifestylehub.com where you can find one area. There you can find like a lot of learning opportunity. You can go and see RE quiz. I'm going to add more resources also, so you can take use of it. Here you can see the quiz program where you can participate in the quiz. Like different quizzes are already available. More number of quizzes also going to be added. This will help you to learn quickly and in lesser time and refine your existing knowledge also in different way. There are case studies also available. There are dedicated quizzes in tech specifications and basics of wind energy. Many things are available, so you can take part. Second option, you have like learning. You can ask your priority questions here. I hope in the previous video also somebody asked about like small turbines, how they can install in their area and all those questions. So surely I will cover exactly what can be done in that area. So here you can ask any questions related to this. 5 questions you can ask at a time. You can ask more questions, means one form at a time you can ask 5 questions. You can also ask more questions if you have more. So in that way, continuously you can learn. Like this time I'm not added any special tips or micro learning thing, but you can follow me in LinkedIn or Mahendran, and you can find a lot of micro learning video I am sharing. It will be also in the question format and answer, so that it will help you to progress and learn continuously. I hope this helped you, and if you like that and you want to share with your friends and colleagues who are already interested to learn about wind energy sector and want to work in wind energy sector, and they want to know more about the wind energy sector, they can surely take the advantage of whatever the knowledge we are sharing in this platform. And you can use our website also. Many things shared there related to wind energy sector that will also help you. I will see you in the next video with a lot of valuable information. So whatever you want to learn about the wind energy sector, you can also share it in the comment, which will help you a lot. So what will be the next video? Who will be the next state guest? I will come up with a lot of information. Thank you. Thank you very much.